it's gotten hold of one processor core and engaged it for 100% activity. Besides that, it is not switching between cores. So the rest of these, I think they are just I don't know. I won't say they are idle, but 18%, 12%, 21%, and this one is 100%. And what has happened is I don't see that image. So if that image were to be around and it would have got stuck on that image, then I would have said, okay, fine, that image is there, but I don't see that image, so I'll have to kill it. Yeah, so this was the predictions on the last image that I ran, the one which I ran after this, after changing the weights. So this is what I changed in the command, right? I just got this because I thought maybe I'll get a better prediction. Earlier when I ran with this on that same image, right? So then I won't say the system froze, but it kept on, uh, this one core just maxed out, and rest everything kind of stopped. Yeah. So I'll try it again. Let's see. So just to check if the image tests and all are running fine, I actually stumbled upon this on the you know the main site. So this one's the original one. This is not the maintainer now. This is the original creator of the darknet. So yeah. So this seems to be working fine. So he says, okay, you go ahead and test this. So this testing is working fine. So which means the image part of it is set up. But how do I change the weights? I don't want to use those same weights, maybe, So the reason for that is I presume I will get much more better predictions and much more accuracy if I change those weights. So what other options do I have? That is what I'm trying to discover right now. Right. Okay. So there is an issue with the compatibility of the CUDNN versions and the CUDA driver versions. So I have 11. That is what is causing the trouble. So NVCC version is that is NVIDIA CUDA compiler driver. The version is 11. That is okay. So I obviously I have that NVIDIA SMI. Right. So 11 is what I have, and this has been working fine for me for uh, for PyTorch and most of the other things that I've been doing earlier. So here for okay, this is the official darknet repository issue, and mostly everybody is saying over here. So I just went ahead and gave him a thumbs up. I don't know if maybe they fixed it, but I don't see any reference wherein they fixed it. So it still seems like these are workarounds which are mentioned over here, but it still doesn't seem to work with 11, right? So everybody's got an issue with the 11 or anything else that they are doing. Here is a friend. Wonderful, he's here. Yeah, I just noticed. So okay, uh, coming back to this. So what I'm trying to do is I'll for now I'll do this workaround that I'll not use the map and I'll run it that way. And let's see. So again compiled with GPU. Now it's using the GPU and the training is going on. Reduce the batch size and reduce the dimensions of the images. So width and height also went down to 32 in place of whatever I had copied from some tutorial. And this is what it is. Now the training is running. I also got this chart. I was not getting this earlier. So yeah. So obviously, because of what I have done as changes over here, batch one and subdivisions, it was recommending that I change this, but I did not change this. And I've also removed the map from the uh, one second over here. One second. Where did I do that? Yeah. So this is the final command which is running. Now this is what is running in the terminal, and there is no map at the end of this, and that in place of that don't show. Yeah, it is showing. So maybe um, maybe this is CPU heavy. Any which ways I'm running it in VS Code, so memory is obviously a challenge. And yeah, so darknet we can see over here, and this is 99% utilization of the GPU now. And so yeah, earlier GPU was not being utilized, but now it is being utilized. The only difference, the only thing that I've changed is I have not changed my CUDA version. I have not changed anything according to what these guys are saying here. Which one is that? Yeah, this one only. What they're saying here, system has obviously become very slow. So all resources are being used right. I'll have to stop the video, but followed what they are saying here. Did not use map. It doesn't seem like a good solution. But for now, it is training on GPU.